for World Watercolor Month, one of the days was melt. And I've painted a very, very easy ice cream cone that was melted on the ground. And I've had many people ask, how do I do that? So I thought I would do a quick tutorial. And I subscribed to Sketchbox. And for July, since it's World Watercolor Month, it was a special watercolor box, and it came with these real pretty colors. I'm just so excited to use them. Okay, so for the cone, like I said, very simple outline, little grid for the waffle cone. For the cone, I'm going to mix some of this kind of brownish color with some of this, looks like yellow ochre, very light wash. I'm going to add some more water to it. I want it to be pretty light. Let me test it. Oh yeah, that's pretty light. It's a little too yellow for the cone, so I'm going to add just a little bit of purple to it. That will tone down that yellow because they're opposites on the color wheel. Okay, that's better. Yeah, that's better. So I'm just going to do a light wash over the whole ice cream cone. I really want ice cream now. Get a little bit of just this brown, mix it in there, make it just a little darker. And on this side, this is my shadow side, I'm just going to drop some of this color in. I'm going to take a damp brush, I rinsed it out, I dabbed it on paper towel a couple times. I'm just going to kind of smooth that out. Just kind of fiddle with it a little bit. I'm doing a little lifting on this left side because I'm assuming that's the sun side where the light's coming from. So just a little lifting, dab the brush. Okay, we're going to let this dry. Okay, it's dry. I mixed up a little bit more brown. I added some of the yellow ochre and a little bit of the purple to get this darker shade here. It's darker than that. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my grid lines in here, and I'm just going to paint inside them. Just paint inside the little squares, leaving little edges. And it will look like a waffle cone. See, it looks like a waffle cone. A little too much paint there, so I dab my brush on a paper towel, lift up the puddle. I really like this paint palette. Trying to see my squares. A little extra paint there, dab it up. I always call that cleanup on aisle 5. Couple cleanups here. Just dab any puddles you see. Okay, it is an ice cream cone. Let that dry. Okay, so for the ice cream, I think I'm going to make it this orangey color. Make it like an orange sherbet ice cream. I think that will be fun. That always makes me think of summer. Okay, I'm just going to paint the ice cream. Oh wow, this is a pretty color. I'm going to paint the melted part. Okay, while it's still damp, I've got a oops, lift it up. I'm going to make a highlight here. I've got a pretty dry brush and I'm just going to go in here and make my highlight. Oh, that's really pretty. It highlights the pretty yellow. Love it. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry. Okay, it is dry. I've mixed some of that orange with just a tad of this blue to tone it down just a little, just to make it a little bit darker. Now I'm just going to go under here, right where it's by the cone. It would be a little darker there, a little shadow. And then right where it hits the concrete, or wherever it is, it would have a little bit of a shadow. And I'm going to take a damp brush and just kind of tickle those edges. I'm going to put a little bit over here too, kind of show that it's a round shape. These edges. Oh, I really like this color. Love this color. Okay, I'm going to let that dry. Okay, it's dry. I mixed a little bit of this color with the orange. I don't know what color name this is, but it looks like it's alizarin crimson or something similar, just to get a little darker orange. And again, I'm going to go here where the ice cream has melted on the concrete. Damp brush and just kind of smooth that out. And again right here by the cone. Damp brush, just tickle those edges. I'm going to go out just a little bit more here. Okay, I'm going to let this dry. Okay, it's done. It's dry. It's so cute. Looks like a cone. Looks like orange sherbet. I love the yellow highlight. Love these colors. They're just so pretty. Okay, hope this was helpful, and happy World Watercolor Month.